In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and set Notion cover photos the right way, whether you want to upload your own image or choose a beautiful cover directly from Notion's built-in Unsplash library. If you use Notion for notes, projects, dashboards, or personal planning, adding the right cover photo can make your pages look cleaner, more professional, and easier to navigate. This is a simple process, but there are a few hidden options that a lot of users miss. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add or change the cover photo. This can be a brand new page or an existing one you're already working on. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the very top of the page. If the page doesn't already have a cover, you'll see an option that says Add Cover. Go ahead and click on Add Cover. If your page already has a cover image, you'll instead see an option called Change Cover. Click on Change Cover to open the cover photo settings. At this point, Notion gives you a few different ways to add a cover. If you want to upload your own image, click on Upload. This option is perfect if you already have a custom banner, a design from Canva, or a photo saved on your computer. After clicking Upload, select Upload File, then choose the image you want to use from your device. Once the image uploads, it will instantly appear as your page cover. Now, if the image doesn't look perfectly aligned, don't worry. Click on Reposition. This allows you to drag the image up or down to get the exact framing you want. Take a moment to adjust the position until it looks right, then click Save Position to lock it in. Now let's look at another great option, using free stock photos directly inside Notion. To do this, click on Change Cover again. This time select Unsplash. Unsplash is built right into Notion and gives you access to thousands of high-quality, free images. You can scroll through the suggested photos or use the search bar to find something specific, like workspace, nature, minimal, or productivity. Once you find an image you like, simply click on it, and Notion will instantly apply it as your cover photo. Just like with uploaded images, you can click Reposition if needed and adjust the framing to your liking. This makes it incredibly easy to keep your pages visually consistent without leaving Notion or worrying about image licensing. And that's it. You now know how to find, upload, and customize Notion cover photos using both your own images and Unsplash. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.